What is a Lorena? Basically, it's like you're going to have this rocket cooktop where the hot gases go up against the glass or the cast iron or whatever, but instead there's a hole in it.
I know. Why in the world would you put a hole at the top of the riser?
Yeah.
Well, there's a good reason.
So there's a J-tube. This is a full 8-inch J-tube system, and then the exhaust gases go up where the hole is, so it'll just pour right out. But you're going to take your canning pot full of water, and you put it in the hole, and it plugs the hole once the canning pot is there. And what a fit. It's like... It's like you kind of expect to hear the sound of punk as it's there. It's like, because when he's running it, there's no smoke getting out. And of course, it is very smokeless. When he was running it, we looked at the exhaust constantly, perfectly clear. The whole burn.
Wonderful.
There might be gases getting out, but it's an outdoor kitchen, and you can only do a Lorena in an outdoor kitchen. Okay, so the idea is that the pot sits in the hole, the flames and exhaust gases hit the pot directly on the bottom. So it's not like it hits a surface, a cooking surface, and then has to transfer through the cooking surface into the pot.
Right.
Instead, you've removed a surface. It goes directly to the pot.
Yeah.
Because we're talking about boiling water bath, canning bath.
Yeah.
It heats that water on the sides as well. The exhaust gases, after doing the pot, they go under a glass cookup. We actually got a sacrifice electric stovetop and took the glass off of it.
Yeah.
And put the glass as the next destination. So the exhaust gases, once they're done trying to heat that water, they move right along and they go to each of those 4 little cooktop round things under all the glass and heat that all up before the exhaust gases go outside, up through the roof.
Yeah.
So just by looking at it and the experience of watching it burn yesterday, I'm kind of thinking like, a person might try to do this indoors. But I really think it has to be an outdoor thing because of the Lorena thing. But it looked like it was burning so clean, it could be an indoor thing. But I think technically I'm going to have to say don't do that. Keep it outdoors. Boy, this is currently the champion at the moment.